Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys how can we unmute Infinix phone device. Friends you have mute your phone and since your phone is on mute mode. So how can you unmute your Infinix phone today friends? I will show you. I will tell you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon and like the video. So friends now let's see how can we unmute Infinix phone. Friends you will have to on guys your phone setting guys. So guys, friends we will on our phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys we will scroll it friends. You can see guys your sound and vibration guys. We will click on phone sound and vibration setting guys. Tap here friends, again scroll it friends. You can see shortcut to prevent ringing setting guys. We will tap here guys. Friends you can see guys your phone mute setting. So we will off this setting. So friends you can see guys your phone will unmute. Friends you can see your shortcut setting, shortcut prevent ringing is off. So like that guys you can unmute guys your Infinix phone device. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you have understood how to unmute Infinix phone. So bye bye friends.